Well, this is going to be impossible for you guys to figure out, but I'm going to try because I just can't help myself. I took out the old rod and the shaft, and I couldn't get it to square up. I was having trouble with it, and I think there could be the rod is bent. I don't know. I took my fatter 3/8 diameter left-handed thread, quarter 20 or 3/8 something fine thread, okay, and it's okay, but my nut wouldn't. The nut was for quarter 20, right? The nut that fits into this round area, and then the thread goes like that. But I had these, right, these 3/8 nuts, so I made one fit. I ground it, filed it, turned it not into a cylinder, but it's enough into a wedge that it fits flat. It seems to work, but there's some binding inside when I go to put my bearing on, in that the rod is just a fraction high. The rod is sitting just a fraction high, and my theory is two things. Either this piece is wrong, which I doubt because they're identical. I think if I were to run it all the way through, it would fit high. This one would begin to bind because I think the rod isn't able to sit down into the tray. There were some offsets in the tray. I think that's causing some rubbing. Anyway, I got to take it apart. Not a big deal. It's not really together. I got to take it apart, do some grinding, whatnot. But I'm already over time. I was trying so hard to get it back together and then run it to see. Oh Jesus! Run and see if I had the run out, the wobble thing fixed, and the oblong zeros fixed. I think I will have it fixed, even if this nut. I have to make this nut again. At least I know how now. It's painful. I mean, I'm grinding a nut in from this into this. It's like crazy, okay? But I was able to get it to fit. It's not a perfect fit, but it works. It doesn't move. It sits there. It's happy. I just got to do some tune-up and cleanup, and I think this is going to work. This other piece here it's probably the perfect part, but it's just too much to go from that brass piece in. But I had some spare left-handed nuts. I pulled out the locking part, and then I ground it into a cylinder, and I pressed it in. It seemed to work. Threaded it worked. The thing threaded through fine. I got this end built. Notice that the thrust washers are really thick, though. I may have to pull them out after all. But in any case, thought I'd let you know that's what I'm up to. And I think tomorrow, if I have enough time, I'm going to be able to have this thing running damn near perfect, as far as I can make it. Perfect. Not good enough, but damn near perfect. And I'm going to set up and try to find an engine to grind out. Okay. All right. Tomorrow. Later.